Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be putting new pedal covers on our Mustang GT. Now, the process will be similar if you have the Cobra or Bullet or Mach 1 pedals. They're just a little harder because with the aluminum, they don't flex quite as much, but the tips that we use today will help. So in the end, it's a very nice upgrade. And so what we went with here is just a factory Ford replacement. And check the video description. I'll put links to where you can find these. And so basically, it's going to be the same one. It's rubber. And as you can see, the old ones just started to split from the pedal and just started to come through. So basically, the first thing we're going to do is come in and remove the rest of the pedal. And so just going to take our knife and continue to cut this a little bit. And it also helps to come in here with a pair of pliers and just kind of rip these off. So as you start to tear them, they will slide back off and come right off. So I'll just get both of these out of the way. Now the next step is kind of interesting. You're going to go and boil some water. So caution, this is hot. Don't burn yourself. But we're going to boil water, and we're going to put these in here just for a little minute. As soon as it's boiling, you can take it off the stove here and then take them outside. So again, be careful. Don't burn yourself. Next, we're going to take a pair of pliers and take these out. And so let them sit for a few seconds in the air to cool off. And be careful as you touch them. These are so easy to put on now. They're very malleable. You just stretch them right over the top, and you'll be surprised how easy they go on. So again, this is better for the aluminum pedals, and you might even try it without boiling water first to see if you can slide these on, but it was just so easy to put these on this way. So just stretch them on over and just make sure that they're fully enclosed. And that's how easy it is to install new pedal covers. And so this makes a huge difference when you're driving. You can totally feel it. You're touching these with your feet every time you drive. And so they're not that expensive either, unless you want to upgrade to the more aluminum look. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. And please check the video description where I'll put a playlist with all my other videos that are similar to this. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.